Alright, so this is an HP Pavilion from 2018 or 19, I don't really remember. And it basically dies instantly. You take it out of the charger for 20 minutes and it's just dead. So I'm gonna do a battery replacement. So I got this battery from the one and only iFixit.com. So let's get started. Alright, so I've already powered off the laptop to save me some time. And before I do anything, I am gonna open this box. So I have Jimmy here. And okay, I have not seen this kind of packaging before. I like it. It's different. Oh, I did order stickers with it. These are stickers I ordered. And this is the battery. So I'm just gonna put all this to the side since this is what I need right now. Okay, so I'm gonna put that to the side for now and start opening up. This is my iFixit minnow screwdriver, and I think all I need to do is remove these ones first. Oh, this one does not fit. Okay, stand by. Alright, I found a bit that fits, so I guess I just unscrew these, and there should be a couple of screws under these, so I'm gonna have to take those off. So with the magic of editing, you're just gonna see everything off, so yeah. Alright, so I am done unscrewing, and I usually use a tray that comes with my iFixit Minnow toolkit as a kind of like tray for these screws, and it works surprisingly well. So if you need a tray and you have a screwdriver, that's something I guess if you need to know. I guess it's not really something people need to know, but yeah. So I am now just going to open this, and I have never opened this model of laptop, so let's hope nothing breaks. Oh, I should probably remove this micro SD card reader. Wouldn't want that getting damaged. Alright, so I'm just gonna skip to when I figure out how to open this. Okay, so I finally got this apart, and there is the battery need to replace. I'm also just gonna clean the inside pretty quickly because it is dusty. Like, look at that. I don't know if you can look at that, but it is dusty. So before that, let's open our battery. Okay, battery calibration, which is basically charge it to 100%, but it's just sync to 0, which don't do that with your normal battery, but I'm just gonna do it with this one so it's all calibrated. And yeah, seems pretty generic. And I'm gonna hope it fits because the website did not list this specific model as one that fits. So it's kind of just gonna be a hope and pray. But from what I can tell, it looks like it should fit fine. So I'm just gonna unscrew these screws and yeah. Okay, so oh wow. Yeah, you can see how dusty it is now. So the battery is out, and now I can swap it in for this one, which you can tell is way cleaner. I don't know what that piece of 3M is for, but yeah. So, yes, it does plug in properly, which means this should be fine. And now, more screwing later, I will be right back. Alright, so yeah, it boots up fine, does all the things. So I'm just gonna do this, and it receives the fixed sticker now. Because, well, it's fixed. So I'm just gonna place, where do I wanna place it? Well, I can't place it on the back foot because that thing is really warm. So, yeah, I guess we can place it here, right? Alright, so that's about it. If you like the video, like it, subscribe, everything. And I'll see you whenever you watch another one of my videos. Bye.